A tip for mulching, whether you're raised beds or making any sort of leaf mold. As you can see, I have an oak leaf. You want to make sure, if you're doing leaf mold, chop these up, crunch them, make them into some sort of powder, or just chop them up with a lawnmower, because if not, these will take 6 months to a year to break down. Unless you are wanting them on a raised bed to where they won't break down as fast, you want to make sure and do this. You can see whole leaves, they take a lot longer to break down, especially in the cold. It's currently like 22 degrees out. It's pretty cold out here. So if you're planning on doing that, you just want to make sure to mulch over winter, but at the same time, make sure you don't get a mat of leaves. Chop them up, put them on your raised bed. Yes, it will insulate them, as you can see in my previous video, which I encourage you to check out my channel for that, and subscribe to see more gardening videos. Just a tip, a quick tip that you can keep in mind. Take your lawnmower, go over the lawn, collect your leaves, and then put them on your raised beds, or in like a leaf mold pile, or just even mulching around your plants. So I hope you subscribe, check out my channel for more gardening content and tips and tricks such as this one, and even just reminders. So until I see you in the next video, happy gardening.